Will you still retire political terrorists to Dubai, as you had said during your campaign?
We have moved beyond the pace of politics. Anybody who knows the socio-cultural interaction between the Fulanis and the Kanuris in the north will know that I have the liberty to hold all insults at him and he will stoically bear. We are not going to retire him to Dubai or Morocco. I will retire him to Fombina. I will buy him goats, broilers, and layers so that he can spend his days rearing goats and broilers. But it's an elder statesman that this is on a joking side. On a more serious note, it's an elder statesman. The nation needs him. Experience is not something that you can buy in the marketplace. We'll tap into his wealth of experience and exposure to catapult the nation to a higher pedestal. Politics is over. Governance is now in full steam. For all those that I might have offended by my utterances, I'm sorry, but politics is a game of nerves, not of emotions. Politics, where you have to throw jibes. Thank you very much.